Hello you guys, welcome once again to another video. This is from China with Love and I am Marcaribe. So the news is that we are open and selling once again from China with Love to all the world. We ship worldwide. If you do not know by now, I am a trader, or how's it called, more like a broker. I do own a website where it's kind of an e-commerce but in a wholesale kind of level. So it's more like a B2B. The quantities can be customized upon the customer requirements. So welcome to visit my website, www.fromchinawithlove.market. If you have any questions regarding business, you can leave it there or just contact me in Instagram. My Instagram is Marcaribe. Send me a DM there and I will tell you my private business chat for us to have a talk on your personal case, because business in China, you know, it's very tailored upon case to case. Like some people are buying 100 pieces, some people are buying just 10 pieces of each model. Some others are buying 10,000 pieces of one model. So the price and all the details will vary upon case to case. I would like to, you know, talk business with you. If you would like to talk business with me too. At least we can try, you know. Come on. I want to make business friends around the world. I love business. Yeah. It's just something that I've been doing like for a while already. It's been years since I was studying in China. I graduated from Shenzhen University. While I was studying, I was also doing some trading. So the topic of today is gonna be masks. In my Instagram, most of them are from Latin America. Because of the recent situation, they are wondering whether I am selling masks. And yes, I am selling some masks now. We have available some suppliers. I will show you here some pictures about the products that I can get. One of them is like the 3-sheet mask. Another one that was very interesting, because I don't think I can get it here in Mexico. At least I have not seen this product yet. Perhaps it exists or it existed before this situation, because now almost nothing is available. But these masks are dedicated for children or babies. They have like 3 different sizes, from like baby, and then like a toddler or few months old, and then a child, you know, for the schools and so on. So I think this product is quite interesting. I'm not saying like, hey, you guys, you should buy this, you should get this. This is not a video dedicated for promotion, but more for awareness of what is available, because a lot of my followers from Latin America have been asking about this. So I thought that perhaps you might find it interesting. I'm not saying buy them or use them or not use them or not buy them, but just in case, you know, it might happen that you might need them. So now you know that here with me you can get them, as well as perhaps you know somebody, your family, friend, or someone that might need this information. Please do help me sharing this video with them, because I would like to reach the people that is in need of them, and not because I'm doing like, you know, the business out of them. I'm just trying to help the people because we could get them, just as I'm trading the other products. Anyways, so we do have these ones. Apart from these ones, there are these others that are made out of like cotton. I do have this one in hand. It's of Mickey, because someone happened to call me Mickey because I'm always wearing these, and you know, it looked like a mini from Mickey, and I'm always like, yeah. So I like that kind of nickname. So I bought this one, which says Mickey Mouse. Maybe it should say Minnie Mouse, but anyways, I'm gonna try it out for you guys to see what I'm talking about if you haven't seen this, but I'm sure that perhaps you have. So what I like about this one is that it's quite wide. So it really covers all your face in a very ergonomic way, compared to those ones that are of like made out of, how to say, surgical paper, which I think they are not as comfortable as this one. Can you see this? I'm gonna take a closer look for you too. What is this? I don't know. Anyways, and this, it's super comfortable for my nose compared to the other ones that it's always, you know. Apart from that, this one is not disposable. So I can go back home and just wash it, perhaps disinfect it or somehow, you know, do something to it and use it next day. So what is the difference between this one and the other one? Of course, is the material. I'm sure that the function is not the same one. I'm not saying that you should buy this over that one, but I'm just saying that these were available and some people are asking for this too. So I'm just showing you what is available, right? And this one I bought in China because it was cold and I was sick, and I thought that it was very comfortable, especially when you have like a sore throat or you are having a flu. and it's winter time, this is very, very common to see there because it's quite warm, you know. The cotton makes it very cozy for you to breathe. It's just like when you wear a scarf on your nose, but this is so comfortable. And it's not that surgical mask, which is looking kind of scary. I mean, this also looks a little bit uncommon here, at least people do not even use these ones, but I think it's amazing for me, especially during the winter in China. So yeah, we do have those available in the website. I have a lot of designs for kids. I uploaded a lot of different models, colors for children, because I thought that they could be very useful for them since they have this kind of colors, pictures. So I thought that perhaps children will be less reluctant to use these ones over the other ones because these ones look a little bit more fun. But I'm not saying that they should use these ones over the other ones. I'm just, you know, letting you know that we do have these ones over here and that some people are interested, especially a lot of people is asking me about the N95. I don't know if you are aware of that, but there was in the news that this factory, originally the N95 model was made by 3M company, American company, which was producing the goods in China. I heard in the news that somehow they had a conflict about, like, you know, United States wanted the masks, but China didn't want to have all the production exported to them because they also wanted some. So somehow they didn't agree, and then USA said like, okay, so I want my factory back here and I'm gonna be producing for myself because I do not agree on those terms. I don't know which terms were the ones that they were talking at the end, but anyhow, as far as I know, this factory is not located anymore in China. A friend of mine told me like there's a factory also here in Mexico. I'm not very sure about that, but anyways. So what happened with the N95 in China? Can you get it? Yes, I can get the N95, but it's not by 3M company. It's just like a Chinese brand or like a China-made N95 mask. I suppose that they do have the same, well, at least, you know, I presume that the specifications might be the same because they do call it model N95. But I'm not really sure about the quality standards, you know, compared to the 3M American company brand one. So yeah, we do have a lot of suppliers offering that mask there in China. So just in case that you might be interested in that model, yes, we can get it, but it's not gonna be by 3M. It's a different packing. It just says like N95. I'm gonna leave a picture here for you to see. And it's made in China by a Chinese factory, by a Chinese company. It's not anymore like an American one, an American brand. So that's it for that. Question of the day. Have you bought masks yet, or you didn't? Perhaps you don't believe or believe that you need to use a mask. This is a dilemma because here in Mexico, as well as in the USA, as far as I know, we have been told, do not use masks. Masks are not useful. There's no need to use them. Just leave them for the people that is in need of them, which is the ill people, you know, the ones that are sick. But we, civilians, I include myself here and some others, perhaps you or I'm not sure, are not very trusty about the one that is sick is using it. We are not really sure whether who is sick or who's not. So just for the record, these masks are not being used yet here in Mexico. At least not till this day. I'm not sure whether we will be using them, but I do know that a lot of my customers here in Mexico got a lot of stock and they resell it for crazy prices, which I do not agree with, but you know, it's their business. If they want to do so, then what can I do? So I'm making this video with no intention to persuade you to buy masks, but just for you to know that there are some suppliers in China having the products and we can export it. Just in case that you might need it, so now you know that information. Any questions regarding the subject, please do leave them down in the comment section and I will be coming back to you with more information about that in the next video. So I hope that this video was useful for you today, and if it was so, please do give me a thumbs up because that will help me to reach more audience that might be in need of this video. And do also leave your comment below about the question that I just asked. Welcome to subscribe to my channel and I will see you on my next one. From Mexico with love. Kisses to you all. Follow me on Instagram, don't forget that.